milk, sugar, cookies, and not much else. Not much is said about how good this dessert is and how quickly it can be prepared. Look at that creaminess, wow! Crunchy on the outside, the touch of sugar, the creamy inside. It's wonderful. I love it. Super easy recipes, the kind we like, and a result just like you see in the picture. Wow, it looks amazing. Fantastic. Do you want to make this classic dessert? It's easy, simple, and super delicious. So stay until the end. I'm Victoria, this is Grandma's Kitchen, and let's get started. First ingredient, we need 1 liter of milk, which we'll divide into 2 parts. Put half of it here in a saucepan. We're going to put it on the stove. We'll also need 50 grams of sugar. Use low heat with the sugar inside and keep it on low heat until it dissolves completely. It'll take you about 20 seconds. As soon as you have it, let's move on to the other half of the milk. We pour it into a bowl because we want it. You can make your own pastry cream by stirring milk, 2 egg yolks, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Stir until it thickens, and it's ready to use. The little trick, flanine, a mix for flan and custard. Any brand will do. We're taking the easy way, as always. We pour it into this half of the milk that was cold, we beat it and mix it really well. It dissolves wonderfully in cold water. As soon as you have both preparations, you mix them together. There you have it. We combine the mixtures, stir, and cook over low heat until it thickens. We get a cream as appetizing as this one. We pour it into a bowl that's cold, and that way it will thicken a little. It'll be much easier to handle, and you'll only need about 2 more minutes to have your perfect dessert ready. Next ingredient, we need a large egg, size L. We just pour it in here. You see, I put it in a small bowl first so that no shell falls in, and then we beat it well. There you go, speed grandma. We continue with the cookies. How many? Well, as many as you want to make. A handful, that's it. I've arranged them this nicely, and then acting like a pro, I poured the cream into a piping bag and put it on top. You can use any type of cookie, round, square, long, however you like. Pick your favorite ones, even dinosaur-shaped ones are fine. And like this, little by little, I fill them and then cover them. There you go, don't overdo it with the cream or it'll spill out. That's good. As for the filling, pastry cream is the classic, the typical one, but you can add more things. For example, I've tried them with Nocilla or Nutella, and they turn out amazing. Let your imagination run wild. Get this marvel ready for the final touch. Sugar and cinnamon, well mixed. Keep it nearby, set aside, because you'll use it as you go. And we're back with the cookies. We dip them in milk. There, nice and soaked. From here, we go to the egg we had beaten. Quick and easy. This only takes a few seconds, just enough to get it fully soaked, and then straight from here to the pan. Sunflower oil. Don't spend a fortune on olive oil. If you're rich and want to use olive oil, use a mild one, because the other kind leaves too strong a flavor. And we fry them on both sides. They'll turn out this good as soon as they're done. Let them rest on a paper towel, and from here you go to this tasty little mix we had prepared. Make sure to let it stick well while the cookies are still hot. To the table. Look how amazing they look. Incredible, just like I said. The table. Here you have the feast, your cream-filled cookies, fried or fried cookies, or cream cookies, or battered cookies. Call them whatever you want. Use them for an amazing breakfast, a luxurious snack, or to treat yourself. No matter what, they'll be delicious. Rizras fried cookies. Who can top that? A real show, right? Well, challenge completed. Here you have the cookies, and I'm going for the first one. Wow, crujiente. On the outside, the touch of sugar, the creamy inside. It's wonderful. I love it. Victoria, do you want a piece? Let's see if you like it. Thanks for coming. We love you. Over there, you have the option to leave me a like and to subscribe. I'll leave the ingredients wherever they fit, throughout the video and in the description box so no one gets lost. Can you do it? You're loved. Bye, cookies.
And the food, mana vitris, my god, so tasty, handsome, rich, gorgeous. You're a thief, a winner. You teach us how to make croquettes and also cod with grandma's recipes that make you feel at home.
Like this.
So you can have gold and eat like a king.